Okay guys, so check this out. You see that? Whacking rolls, whacking bolos. Now it's really important that your posture is on point. We don't want to have our shoulders shrugging up like this. We don't want to have a lower hunchback. It's all about posture. Upright, relax the shoulders. And the first principle is to bring your arms up towards your shoulder and try to keep a nice, clean line. You see what I'm doing? We don't want this, okay? We don't want like we're going to school with our backpack. We don't want it up here. We don't want to look like chickens about to fly. We definitely don't want that, but we want a nice line. So now, we take this position, we go over the heads, and then we come back. Notice that I'm touching my shoulders here. Shoulder front, shoulder behind. Shoulder front, shoulder behind. Shoulder front, shoulder behind. Now, what's really key is that every time I'm doing this particular bolo, I am framing my face. Frame your face. Why? Because you're beautiful, okay? So you have to let people see your face. This doesn't work. That's rubbish. Don't do that, okay? You want to keep it in and make sure it goes over the heads and back again. Watch. You see that? Now look what happens when I don't frame my face. You see that? No, 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 we don't want to do that. Get it close, over the heads, bring it back. The second key point, look at where my elbow is. I am not doing this. My elbows are not moving, my chest is not moving, my shoulders are not moving. There is a fixed point here. Watch. If I come in here, if my elbow is pointing towards you, look at how my hand goes over my head. Do you see that? My elbow is not moving. It's staying fixed there. No matter where I go, I keep this beautiful position, this beautiful shape, which is what we want. Third thing to think about, timing. Timing, 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 timing. So I'm gonna say this a few times during the course of this tutorial. If you can sing it, you can do it. You must always try to vocalize your movement. One, it's gonna help you remember the step. Two, it's gonna keep you in time. Listen to this. Tick, 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 tick. You notice how when I'm singing it, my movement is on time. That's a very, very key point to keep. All right? So we take this one here. Let's try it out. Tick, 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 tick. Fourth point. My hands. I'm always asked, what do I do with my hands? Do I do these? Do I do this? Do I do this? The general answer really is, it doesn't matter. It's completely up to you, as long as you keep it clean and symmetrical. We don't want this. You know, we don't want messed up crooked hand syndrome. We don't want that. That's just ugly. Okay, can you imagine doing this? It just looks like a mess. But if I keep two fingers, if I keep open hands, if I keep fist, even if I keep claws, as long as the claws are the same, you can change the energy, the intention, and the quality of your movement just by the gestures of your hand. That's completely up to you. All right, let's try to some music. You ready? Let's do it.